All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. This is one of my birthday gifts, so I'm really happy about it. I already unboxed it. And I'm just showing you guys what it is. It was in between this and another scarf, but this one just seemed like I could get more use out of it, and the other one was kind of busy. I was really liking it, and I'll insert clips. But I just love this one. And I like to tie it around my head and like wear it like that. And even this is really cute. I would just have to do it a little bit tighter, but you guys get it. So this is the scarf I ended up getting, and it's really cute, and I love the way it turned out. The lady was like, oh, this looks like it's for fall, but I'm like, it has orange and red. Like, you could wear this as a shirt and put on some white shorts, white or orange shorts, and some LV slides, and there goes your outfit, and an orange bag. Like, I'll be thinking about outfits beforehand, like, okay, what can I wear this with? So I really like that. And then another thing that I got were these shoes. Y'all, I don't wear heels at all. And you know, I need to like start wearing heels because I'm a grown up. So I'm like, okay, I need to start investing in heels that I actually can walk in and actually like use over and over again. So this is what it came in. This is what came with the shoes, 2 dust bags with the logo on it. And then here is the shoe itself. I'm gonna have to look up how high the heel is, but this heel is not that high. And I did good walking. I went to dinner, so I've already worn these, and they were really, really comfortable. I think this top part gave me a lot of support because it's not a thin little strap. It's more like, it's definitely more support up here. And then the heel is not that high, guys. So walking in them was almost a breeze for someone that doesn't even wear heels. So I'm like, okay, you know, this is a good height for a beginner like me in the heel world. So I'm like, I could get these. I could walk in these. These are shoes I could keep. It was between these and I want to say they're Dolly, the Louboutin Dolly shoes. I'll have to look it up. But I thought these were so fly. Like, it was between these and the other ones. And it was a lady next to us. It was me and my boyfriend. And we were shopping. And she was around too. And she chose these. And he chose these. So I'm like, okay, that's 2 out of 3. Like, these are the ones that I'm getting. So yeah, like, she was super nice. She was like, oh, I like those. Like, those are sexy. I was like, okay, like, and she was really sweet. So I loved what I got for my birthday. This was one of my birthday gifts. I've already worn these shoes. So I was click-clacking in these. So for me being a beginner heel wearer, what I did was I wore my slides in the car to the restaurant, and then, you know, we valeted. So I walked in. Once we started getting closer to the restaurant, like 5 minutes out, that's when I put on the shoe. And then I walked into the restaurant, and then, you know, I didn't have to stand long. I gave her our reservation, and I was seated shortly after that. I think I might have taken a picture before I ate. But it wasn't bad at all to like stand in these. And I also got another pair of shoes, but they're not here yet. I was kind of sad that I wasn't able to walk out with the shoes because I like, you know, once I purchase something, I like, you know, you spend all that money and you want to walk out with it, but it's okay. So I'm very pleased with my purchase. This is my first like heels. Like, I don't really purchase heels at all. So, I mean, I do, but then I don't wear them because they're not like a staple shoe. They might be colorful or too high, or it's just something about them that's like, okay, you know, I probably won't wear these a lot. With these, I feel like I could wear this on, you know, to dinner date and possibly brunch, but it's definitely more of a dinner type shoe. So yeah, and I got the scarf because I could do it, you know, wear it like this as a shirt, or I could do it across the head. So yeah. So while I'm here and showing you guys everything, I might as well show you guys this too. I got some Perfume de Marly in the Valaya scent. They're known for the Delina. That's probably their most popular one, but they have a they have a Valaya, and they have a Valaya exclusive, I think. So it comes in this really pretty bottle. I already did an unboxing of this. So I thought the bottle was really cute. I've already smelled this. Let me just smell it again. Like, it smells grown. It smells really grown to me. I like the smell. Let me pull up the notes. Okay, so the top notes are bergamot, white peach, and mandarin. The middle notes are orange flower and nympheal. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. The base notes, the one that I could, pronounce is musk. And I'll put like the notes on the screen for you guys. But it comes in like this little holder, so it's really secure. It's not going anywhere, and then you just put the lid on. So even this box, you can store it in your closet, and you could just, keep this like this in your closet to make it pretty. So I'm probably gonna keep it like this in my closet until I decide to wear it. I don't think I wanna wear it anytime soon. I just wanna save this one. I just wanna save it for a little bit because it's special and it's like a pretty box, and my friend gave it to me. So I'm like, I don't want to just like wear it now. I'll probably like, I want to build my perfume collection. I'm trying to build all of my stuff. I have a few like pieces, but I need to build onto my collection. So as I'm getting older, I'm just like trying to get staple pieces so that I can have them forever. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with like the shoes and the scarves and stuff like that, because you can always keep that stuff. Perfume, that's gonna run out, but you can re-up on that. So yeah, like I said, I got some other shoes as well, but they're not here. I'm waiting on those to come. Those are not a high heel either. So those are gonna be on like the shorter side. I'm not gonna say short, like it's not a kitten heel, but it's definitely a heel that you could do for brunch or date night. So that's what I'm trying to like gain, our staple heels for sure. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I appreciate you guys. It's still Cancer season. So I've been very happy about that. Like my birthday was awesome. Yeah, and I had a great time. I actually went to Atlanta and spent my time there for my birthday. We went to H&W Steakhouse, and it was amazing. Like it was really good. So here in Charlotte, we have steakhouses. Like we have all the major steakhouses, but I've gone to all of them. So I was like, I want to try something different. So that's why I ended up going to H&W to try them out, and they were actually delicious. I don't get steak. I would definitely go back because it was so good. I would rate it as 10 out of 10 because that's how good it was. So yeah, I'm just really pleased with how my birthday came out, and I can't complain. Like I'm very blessed, and I'm just, I'm blessed and I'm very happy. So thank you guys for watching. So these are the shoes that I told you guys that have yet to come. So they did come, and I'm just gonna do the unboxing. So it comes with 2 dust bags. And I've already unboxed them because I wanted to try them on. And that's what they look like. These are the Condora slingback sandals. They're 85 milliliter. And I just thought these were really stunning. And since I'm new to the heel world, I thought, let me stick to something safe. And these seem like the safest bet. And I like how I just love the shape of I love the way it looks. Like it's not the typical, the way the Christian Louboutin usually does the heel. It's not necessarily the Miss C, but it's kind of like similar to the Miss C because of how, the heel looks. But I love these. I got these because I thought I could this is a staple shoe. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. So that's why I got these. They're just your typical slingback shoe, a slingback sandal, and I want to continue to get heels like this. One of the things I want to talk to you guys about is just like your everyday like luxury. Yeah, these products are luxury, but you can have luxury in your everyday life. Waking up when you want to wake up, exercising when you want to exercise. To me, those things are luxurious. Doing what you want to do, that's luxe. Like that's a luxe lifestyle when you can get up and do what you want to do. I'm not there yet, so I can fully do what I want to do because I still have my 9 to 5, but I'm definitely gonna get there. So yeah, I haven't sit down and really talked to you guys about anything. I haven't really spoken like to the camera like this and really, just sat down and spoken with you guys.
But I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you guys are doing well. That's what I got for my birthday, and I had an awesome birthday, and I can't wait to get more. That's just the type of person I am. I know I'm gonna get everything I want in life and everything I need in life. So yeah, why not deprive myself of what I'm already gonna receive? It's coming, and I'm working towards it, and that's all I can do. I have on my scarf right now that I did an unboxing for because my hair is like wet, and I'm just doing these braids so that my hair can be like wavy when I take it out. So I'm like, let me put on the scarf and show them how it looks. But that's about it, guys. I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. I'm just a little bit under the weather because of my throat, but I feel okay, and we're gonna talk soon. I'm gonna do more of these because now I have my camera back up and running. The sensor was not clean. I was thinking that my lens was dirty and like I had an issue with the camera, but I knew the lens wasn't dirty, and it was coming out like the playback looked like it was filthy. So I did my research, and it was actually the sensor. When you take the lens off your camera, so that's the sensor. So it just had to be cleaned off, and I bought a cleaning kit because ChatGPT told me I can't do a DIY cleaning at home. A cleaning kit is what's best for the camera, so that's what I went ahead and got because I'm like, let me stay on the safe side. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm like, let me go ahead and get this, and sure enough, it worked. So yeah, and then one other thing, another gift I got was this Creed. So this is it tells me the scents that I got. So this is like a little mini Creed that you could try out, and it has a bunch of different fragrances in it. And I thought this was so cute. My parents got this for me, so I'm like, this is really, really cute. I'm gonna show you guys what scents are all in. Aventus for her, Aqua Florentina, Love in Black, Love in White, and Spring Flower. So I already have Aqua Florentina. That's the small bottle I already own. And so I knew how that one would smell. So that was, you know, I love that fragrance. Love in Black, that was kind of like, you know, a little bit different. I'm like, okay, but I'm definitely gonna use all these. I'm gonna use them to their gone because, yeah, I'm gonna use it to their gone. It's just, you know, the little tester, so I'm like, I can use these. That one was just a little bit, okay, you know, that's for a different type of person. I don't necessarily know what type of person would wear Love in Black. I really don't know. Love in White, and then Spring Flower. So besides the Aqua Florentina, the Spring Flower one is the one I've been really, really like. So I'm gonna put up the notes and a picture of it so you all can see, but the Spring Flower one is definitely my favorite right after the Aqua Florentina. So yeah, this Creed is really good. A lot of people don't know they have Creed for women, but they do. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. I love all the support and everything, so thank you.